Hello everybody. In this video I'm gonna quickly introduce you to 2D collisions and how you may use it for your own project. So go ahead and start up a new 2D project until you see this. And we're gonna start with making a ride. And we're gonna just put this on here. I'm gonna scale it down a bit. And then we can go ahead, call this eggplant. And then we can click on it, hold Control down and press D to make a complete copy. And let's call this kale, or cabbage. And put the cabbage in here. Now we have two different objects. So let's go ahead and create a new C# script. Let's call it collider check, and let's open it up. So here we don't actually need to have this here. I'm gonna introduce you to 3 methods that you can use, and they do 3 different things, or track 3 different things. The first one is onTrigger enter 2D. The next one is onTrigger stay 2D, and the last one onTrigger exit 2D. And they do what they are basically implying. So when you enter, do something here. If you're still colliding, do something here. And when you're not colliding anymore, do something here. Now you may not need all these 3 methods in your project, but I'll just show you what you can do with it. So let's say when we enter, we just collided, semicolon. We can basically copy paste this down here and here. So we can write we are still colliding. And last, we are no longer colliding. Let's save that. Go to our project. And let's attach this script to the eggplant. Now, now that you're working with collision, you need to have a rigid body on at least one element. And you want to have a collider of some sort. For simplicity, I'm just gonna take a box collider, and we want this to be is trigger. The other one is we're not gonna put is trigger on, and the sizes look fine. So let's see what happens when. So our console should be spamming us soon. There we go, we just collided, and then keep on going, we're still colliding. The moment we take this off, then the last one should say we are no longer colliding. So for your game, here you could put, like, if you're making a action RPG game, then you could be like a damage taken script method, whatever you have here. And you may also want to have like maybe a little pushback if you want to. And yeah, it's basically what your project is about, that you can utilize this. I just wanted to quickly introduce to you what these are and what you may or may not use these for your own project. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it were, I'll leave a like and a subscribe to my channel, and I would love to hear what your project is about, or what you're going to use this for in your either game or mini project or whatever you're doing. And else, I hope I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Goodbye.